The Sawgrass option tray is pretty underappreciated in my opinion. In fact, I bet most Sawgrass users don't even know what it is. Well, in this video, we're gonna change that. I'm gonna show you how to install and use the option tray, and then share a few scenarios where this would really come in handy. But before I go on, do me a favor and hit that like button. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to the Heat Press Nation YouTube channel. The Sawgrass option tray functions as an additional tray, which is different from the bypass tray. Now, if you're curious about the bypass tray, check out the video linked below. The option tray is available for both the SG500 and SG1000 printers. It can hold up to 250 sheets of paper, in addition to whatever's already loaded in your built-in or bypass tray. Now, each option tray can expand to fit the exact same paper as the built-in tray, which is a maximum of 8.5 by 14 inches for the SG500 and 11 by 17 inches for the SG1000. Installation is simple. First, power down your printer, then unplug the USB and power cables. We're using a Sawgrass SG1000, but you can follow along with the SG500. Next, place your option tray where you want your printer to be. Carefully line up your printer and lower it onto the option tray. On the side, secure the connection tab in place with the included screw. Reconnect your cables and power the printer back on. To load your paper, slide the option tray out the same way you would with the built-in tray. Use the green tabs to adjust the guides so they hold the paper in place, not too tight. To extend the tray, unlock the two side tabs as shown, pull the tray out to full extension, then lock it back in with the same green tabs. Slide the tray back into the printer until it gently locks in place, then slide the dust cover out over the tray. You can choose your tray in Sawgrass Print Utility. It will default to the built-in tray or tray 1 unless specified otherwise. To change it, go to Print Settings and under Media Source, choose the option tray. It's that easy. Now, there are 3 common applications for the option tray. 1, because it could hold up to 250 additional sheets, it takes your printer capacity up to 500 sheets total. Now, this is great for extending the time between refills. 2, if you're frequently switching between paper sizes, an option tray is a super convenient time saver. Now you can have your 2 most popular sizes ready to print at any time. And 3, the option tray is great for holding different types of paper. With the VersiFlex system, you print on regular sublimation paper for all of your sublimation projects like coffee mugs, metal panels, etc. And then when you're ready to print on cotton or wood, you swap in your VersiFlex light paper. With the option tray, this is done in one click rather than a full tray reload. Order the option tray for your Sawgrass SG500 or SG1000 sublimation printer today by using the link below or go to heat.press/option tray. You can find the full line of Sawgrass products along with our huge selection of heat transfer equipment and supplies at heatpressnation.com.